Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower turnkey package engine with the dual quad Edelbrock carburetors on there for our customer's 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We painted the engine block the Quasar metallic blue. That's what the customer wanted. We put the brass freeze plugs in there. It has a proper oil pan for the 55 Bel Air. Brand new chrome timing cover, brand new balancer, double roller timing chain. We installed the comp cams, mother thumper roller cam in there. You have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there. All the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. We have the forged steel crankshaft in there, power forged pistons. It's real nice ridge style polished valve covers. Edelbrock dual quad intake manifold. The intake manifold was powder coated, the polished finish. We have the swivel style thermostat housing. Thermostat's installed. It's in the correct location for the 55 Bel Air. We have all the linkages set up for the dual quad setup. Progressive linkages, the throttle return springs. Small cap distributor, that's real important on the 55 Bel Air for firewall clearance. We have that in there. MSD ignition coil. We have the center force clutch on there. Billet flywheel on there. 168 tooth flywheel. Everything's aligned and all set. This customer's getting the TKX 5-speed transmission on there. We're going to be mounting the transmission on the engine after the test. Aligned everything for him. We're going to put the internal hydraulic throwout bearing, set all the settings on there. It'll be turnkey, drop in, ready to go. The engine will actually be shipped with the transmission on there on an extended skid, drop in ready. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. All the high flow fuel pump, all the braided Edelbrock fuel lines, all the fittings are installed. Edelbrock gas filter, AN fittings, all set up. We have the Raptor serpentine pulley kit on here, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, AC compressor, high flow reverse rotation water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. We have the GM Type 2 power steering pump on there. We supply the remote reservoir, and the power steering line kit will come with the engine. Every engine is live run at the engine factory, fully tested. You're going to see a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, the oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing for you. That's all done. Again, I adjust all the settings on the idle mixer screws to achieve the best manifold vacuum. The progressive linkages are all dialed in, all set, ready to go. Throttle return springs are on there, throttle cable ball. This engine is going to be drop-in ready, so you'll have total confidence when you put the engine in that it'll be 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.